Learn Gujarati time words. Yesterday to punctual with
આજે,
and.
સમયસર.
Welcome to time travel. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati time words without falling asleep on your calendar. We will keep it simple, useful, and just silly enough to stick in your memory. Imagine a confused traveler standing in front of a giant talking calendar. The calendar says, not everything is.
આજે,
My friend. One square behind is.
ગઈકાલે,
Yesterday. Two squares behind is.
ગયા પરમ દિવસે,
The day before yesterday. One square ahead is.
આવતીકાલે,
Tomorrow. Two squares ahead is.
પરમ દિવસે,
The day after tomorrow. Then the calendar points to a clock and says, if you arrive.
વહેલું,
You are early. If you arrive.
મોડું,
You are late. If you arrive.
સમયસર.
Congratulations, civilization continues. Your time map. Let's build a tiny mental map, because your brain likes neat shelves. Put these words in order and they become much easier to remember. Start in the middle with today.
આજે,
This is now, this day, the day when you bravely decided to study Gujarati. Take one step back. Yesterday is.
ગઈકાલે,
Take two steps back. The day before yesterday is.
ગયા પરમ દિવસે,
Take one step forward. Tomorrow is.
આવતીકાલે,
Take two steps forward. The day after tomorrow is.
પરમ દિવસે,
Now add timing style. Early is.
વહેલું,
Late is.
મોડું,
And punctual is.
સમયસર.
That last one is the superhero word. The calendar cafe. Now let's drop these words into a funny little story. Listen like you are inside the scene. You walk into the calendar cafe, but the waiter looks offended. You were supposed to come.
ગઈકાલે,
He says. You answer, no, I planned it for.
આજે,
Quote. A dramatic tomato at the next table whispers, actually, I made the reservation.
ગયા પરમ દિવસે,
Quote. The waiter sighs, flips the book, and says, fine. Your soup comes.
આવતીકાલે,
You gasp. Tomorrow? He nods. Unless you want dessert.
પરમ દિવસે,
Quote. You decide this cafe has terrible service but excellent vocabulary. So you show up the next morning.
વહેલું,
Not.
મોડું,
And for the first time in your life, the waiter salutes you for being.
સમયસર.
Mini dialogues. You learn faster when words speak to each other. Here are short dialogues you can repeat aloud. A. When did you see her? B.
ગઈકાલે,
Yesterday. A. When should we start? B.
આજે,
Today, not in your imaginary future. A. When will you come? B.
આવતીકાલે,
A. Not yesterday? B. No.
ગયા પરમ દિવસે,
A. Is the trip tomorrow? B. No.
પરમ દિવસે,
A. Wow, you are here already. B. Yes, I came.
વહેલું,
A. Why did you miss the train? B. I was.
મોડું,
A. Are you always on time? B. Yes, I am.
સમયસર.
Please admire me responsibly. Early, late, or legendary. These three words are perfect for daily life. Also perfect for judging your friends, gently. Picture three people at a train station. The first arrives with sunrise and a smug face.
વહેલું,
Early. The second arrives while the train is still there and life is still manageable.
સમયસર.
Punctual. The third arrives waving dramatically at an empty platform.
મોડું,
Late. If you want an easy contrast, remember this.
વહેલું,
Is before the expected time.
સમયસર.
Is exactly at the expected time and
મોડું,
is after the expected time. The train prefers the first two. Quick memory drill. Let's do a fast repetition round. Just listen and echo. Yesterday.
ગઈકાલે,
Today.
આજે,
Tomorrow.
આવતીકાલે,
The day before yesterday.
ગયા પરમ દિવસે,
The day after tomorrow.
પરમ દિવસે,
Early.
વહેલું,
late,
మూడు
punctual.
સમયસર
Now the chain.
ગયા પરમ દિવસે ગઈકાલે આજે આવતીકાલે પરમ દિવસે
Nicely done. Tiny quiz, big drama. Time for a quiz. No pressure, except from the imaginary talking calendar. How do you say today?
આજે
How do you say yesterday?
ગઈકાલે
How do you say tomorrow?
આવતીકાલે
How do you say the day before yesterday?
ગયા પરમ દિવસે
How do you say the day after tomorrow?
પરમ દિવસે
How do you say early?
વહેલું
How do you say late?
મોડું
How do you say punctual?
સમયસર
If you got most of these, your brain deserves a tiny parade. Goodbye, but not.
આવતીકાલે
You did great. Yes, even if one of the long expressions tried to wrestle your memory. Today you learned a full set of practical Gujarati time words.
ગઈકાલે આજે આવતીકાલે ગયા પરમ દિવસે વહેલું મોડું
And
સમયસર
thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, use the words in tiny daily sentences, and come back again soon. Maybe.
આજે
Definitely not too.
મોડું